Hey guys! Welcome sa Ginhawa Pinoy, kung saan pinag-uusapan natin ang pera, mindset, at simpleng paraan para umasenso. Kung isa ka sa mga nagtatanong, paano naman ako yayaman kung maliit lang ang sahod ko? Then this video is for you. Kasi today, pag-uusapan natin kung paano ka makakapag-build ng wealth kahit mababa ang income mo. Tama, hindi mo kailangan ng malaking sweldo para magsimulang yumaman. Ang kailangan mo ay tamang mindset, diskarte, at discipline. So make sure to stay until the end kasi may bonus tip ako na pwedeng magbago ng financial future mo. Let's begin. Part 1. Mindset Shift. Wealth starts in the mind. Una sa lahat, ang pagiging mayaman ay hindi nagsisimula sa bulsa, kundi sa isip. Maraming tao ang natatakot sa pera. Kapag maliit ang kita, sinasabi agad, wala akong maiipon, o kaya, wala nang ang sobra, paano pa mag-invest? Pero ang totoo, ang mindset mo ang magde-determine kung hanggang saan ka makakarating. Ang unang step, change your relationship with money. Sabihin mo sa sarili mo araw-araw, hindi ako mahirap, nagpapayaman ako, unti-unti, because every peso counts. Hindi mahalaga kung 100 pesos lang ang naitatabi mo ngayon. Ang importante, may disiplina ka to start. Part 2. Control what you can, budget wisely. Next step, control what you can. Kung maliit ang income mo, mas kailangan mong i-master ang budgeting. Create a simple system called the 50-30-20 rule, or even 70-20-10 rule. 50% for needs, kuryente, pagkain, renta. 30% for wants, konting luho, pero within limit. 20% for savings and investments. Kung di kaya ang 20%, start with 5% or 10%. Ang goal ay hindi perfection, consistency. Pro tip, use separate envelopes or e-wallets for each category. Halimbawa, GCash para sa bills, Maya para sa savings. That separation creates awareness and discipline. And here's something most people forget. Track your spending. Yung 50 pesos milk tea mo everyday. That's 1,500 pesos a month. Ilagay mo sa savings yan, after 1 year may 18,000 pesos ka na. Small habits, big impact. Part 3. Build multiple streams of income. Now, let's talk about income streams. Kahit maliit ang sweldo mo, hindi ibig sabihin na yun lang forever. You can build extra sources of income kahit may full-time job ka. Here are practical ways. 1. Freelancing. Kung marunong ka ng Canva, writing, or social media, may clients online na naghahanap ng ganon. 2. Digital products. Gumawa ng ebook, template, o printable na pwede mong ibenta sa Etsy o Gumroad. 3. Affiliate marketing. Mag-share ng product links, every sale may commission ka. 4. Small reselling biz. Magbenta online gamit ang Shopee or Facebook Marketplace. Hindi kailangan malaki agad ang kita, ang goal ay madagdagan ang income flow mo. Remember, rich people have multiple streams of income. Part 4. Invest wisely, let your money work for you. Kapag may konting naipon ka na, next step is to make your money grow. Here are simple, beginner-friendly investments. Cooperative savings programs, safe and community-based. Pag-ibig MP2 government-backed, good for long-term savings. Mutual funds or index funds for long-term investing, check call financial or seedbox. Dividend stocks for passive income every quarter. Ang goal, pagtibayin ang foundation mo. Hindi kailangan magmadali, slow and steady wins the race. Reminder, huwag sumali sa get-rich-quick schemes. Kung sobrang ganda para maging totoo, malamang scam yan. Build wealth, not hype. Part 5. Practice gratitude and consistency. Ito ang part na madalas nakakalimutan, gratitude at consistency. Kahit maliit ang kita mo, maging thankful ka sa bawat progress. Yung unang 500 pesos mong ipon. Celebrate it. Yung unang 100 pesos na galing sa side hustle mo. That's proof na kaya mo. Wealth is a journey. Hindi mo kailangang sabayan ang ibang tao, just stay consistent and intentional. Kahit 1% improvement a day, after a year, 365% growth na yan. So, kung gusto mong matutong yumaman kahit maliit ang kita, start today, kahit maliit, Basta tuloy-tuloy. Control your spending. Build extra income. Invest smart. Stay grateful and consistent. At kung gusto mo pa ng real talk at practical na money tips para sa mga Pinoy, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Ginhawa Pinoy. Comment mo rin, ready na akong magpayaman, para malaman kong kasama ka sa Ginhawa community na nag-level up sa buhay. Kita-kits ulit sa next episode. Ginhawa Pinoy, ginhawang totoo, para sa lahat ng Pilipino.